Hi, this is a video on how to install Axon Panel on James Hardie CLD structural cavity batten with the best tips and tricks included. Before you get started, it's important that we have all the correct tools. Axon Panel and James Hardie CLD structural cavity battens to the correct quantity, nail guns and correct specification nails, flexible sealant and adhesive sealant, primer, hammer, dust reducing circular saw with M-class vacuum and Hardie blade, vent strip, and your PPE. Always refer to the Axon Panel Technical Specification for safe working practices. Installation. Install the James Hardie UPVC vent strip at the bottom of all walls and above all openings. Nail at 600mm centers maximum. Your bottom edge requires an overhang of 15mm past the vent strip. Fix vertical CLD battens to framing above the vent strip face at 250mm centers. Fix the battens at a maximum 600mm centers apart. Axon Panel must have a minimum 50mm overhang below the bottom plate. Always ensure ground clearance is maintained. Cut edges must be sealed. Apply a continuous bead of adhesive sealant. Fix the sealed cut edge panel 12mm from the edge. Fix the shiplap edge distance 18mm from the edge using 25mm T-head stainless steel brad head nails. Fix the panel at 150mm centers. Ensure to nail through body of board, not through groove. Finish slightly proud and hand nail flush. Apply adhesive sealant onto the batten. Apply flexible sealant in the joint and fix 16mm from the edge. Axon Panel must be painted within 90 days. The ease and simplicity of Axon Panel means that you can get creative with your design. You can use 133 smooth, 133 grained or 400 smooth panels. Thanks for watching this video on how to install Axon Panel on the James Hardie CLD structural cavity batten. For more information, always refer to the Axon Panel Technical Specification or ask James Hardie.